In this privacy tutorial, we're going to talk about disabling photo tagging in Twitter. These steps will outline how to put limits on who can tag your photos. And if you allow everyone to tag your photos, you could turn a private moment into a public spectacle. Not something you want to do. Let's get into the tutorial. Start by logging into your Twitter account, and once you're there, click on More. Next, select Settings and Privacy, and next we want to select Privacy and Safety. Once this opens on the right side of the screen, click on Audience and Tagging. Once you get here, you have several choices. You can change it from anyone to only people you follow can tag you. That makes it a little bit safer. However, the safest thing to do is to just change photo tagging to off. That way, nobody can tag your photos. Your private stuff will never wind up somewhere else. This would be the safest thing to do. Once this is done, congratulations. Photos that you put on Twitter are your photos. They won't wind up everywhere else. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.